The application for brush, knee and push is comes from hold the ball, which is like a parry, and then a strike or a push with the hand. So I'll get my student to come out, and with a strike to the face, you can hold the ball, it's the movement of hold the ball, to parry the first hand. Yeah. Then bringing that hand down, slightly unbalancing the person, we can then strike to the face. Yeah. So again, so one, and strike to the face. Very possible that, we'll do that one more time. See here? Yeah. Very possible though that the second hand is going to come up to protect the face. So what we do then is pull the hand down and then hit. So this movement is very similar to the large movement, but it's a smaller action. So again, to hit. And then either strike or push. Down, brush, knee, push. One more time. One, hit again. Strike and push. One hand can even pull as the other pushes back. So 1, 2, 3. So we can pull with the backhand and turn it more into a throw. So you have a coupling power of one hand coming back, one hand going forward. So one more time, you see? 1, hit, strike, push. Yeah. There you go. All right, thanks very much. So that's an application for brush, knee and push. Thank you.